Cucumbers are often seen as just a crunchy addition to salads, but they offer a wealth of health benefits. These green, refreshing vegetables are more than just a garnish or a way to add some crunch to your meals. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly contribute to your overall health and well-being. These humble vegetables are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and electrolytes. Cucumbers are low in calories, but high in many important vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. The antioxidants in cucumbers, such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. In this video, we will delve into the amazing world of cucumbers and explore how they can enhance your well-being. From their hydrating properties to their role in weight management, cucumbers are a versatile and beneficial addition to any diet. They are composed of about 96% water, making them an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during hot weather or after a workout. Get ready to discover the power of this refreshing superfood. Cucumbers are not only hydrating, but also support digestion due to their high fiber content. The fiber in cucumbers helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, cucumbers contain a unique compound called cucurbitacin, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. From boosting hydration to supporting digestion, cucumbers have much to offer. They are also known for their potential to aid in weight loss. Because they are low in calories and high in water content, cucumbers can help you feel full and satisfied without adding a lot of extra calories to your diet. This makes them an ideal snack for those looking to shed a few pounds. We'll uncover the science behind their benefits and provide practical tips for incorporating them into your daily routine. For instance, you can add cucumber slices to your water for a refreshing twist, blend them into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost, or include them in salads and sandwiches for added crunch and flavor. Cucumbers can also be used in skincare routines due to their hydrating and soothing properties. Whether you enjoy them sliced, diced, or juiced, cucumbers are a versatile and delicious way to upgrade your health. They can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from simple salads to more complex recipes. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the humble cucumber. Embrace its many benefits and make it a staple in your kitchen. Your body will thank you for it. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Water is essential for every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. It helps maintain bodily functions and keeps you feeling energized and refreshed, and cucumbers can be your secret weapon in achieving optimal hydration. These green, crunchy vegetables are not only delicious, but also packed with water. Comprised of about 96% water, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating. This high water content makes them an excellent choice for keeping your body hydrated throughout the day. Their high water content helps replenish fluids lost through sweat, especially during hot weather or physical activity. When you exercise or spend time in the sun, your body loses water rapidly. Cucumbers can help you stay hydrated and cool. Adequate hydration is essential for numerous bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. Water aids in digestion, keeps your skin healthy, and supports your immune system. By incorporating cucumbers into your diet, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help cleanse your body of toxins and maintain optimal hydration levels. Drinking cucumber-infused water or adding cucumbers to your meals can make a significant difference in how you feel. Not only will you stay hydrated, but you'll also enjoy the refreshing taste and numerous health benefits of cucumbers. So next time you're feeling thirsty, reach for a cucumber and give your body the hydration it needs. Don't let their low calorie count fool you. Cucumbers are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Cucumbers also provide vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. Additionally, they contain small amounts of potassium, manganese, and magnesium, all of which contribute to overall well-being. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Cucumbers contain antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help neutralize these harmful compounds. Antioxidants protect against oxidative stress, which is linked to aging, inflammation, and various health problems. By including cucumbers in your diet, you can bolster your body's natural defenses and promote long-term health. Digestive Dynamo cucumbers for gut health and regularity. Cucumbers are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Cucumbers also contain an enzyme called erepsin, which aids in the digestion of protein. By supporting healthy digestion, cucumbers can help improve nutrient absorption and reduce digestive discomfort. Weight management wonder, low-calorie, high-fiber delight. For those watching their weight, cucumbers are a fantastic addition to any diet. They are naturally low in calories, fat, and carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for weight management. The high water and fiber content in cucumbers can also promote feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. By incorporating cucumbers into meals and snacks, you can satisfy your hunger while supporting your weight loss goals. Skin Savior. Cucumbers for a radiant and healthy complexion. Cucumbers have long been used topically for their cooling and soothing properties. They contain ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, and caffeic acid, both of which help reduce inflammation and puffiness. When applied to the skin, cucumbers can help reduce the appearance of dark circles, soothe sunburns, and refresh tired eyes. Their high water content also helps hydrate the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Beyond the salad bowl. Creative culinary uses for cucumbers. While cucumbers are often enjoyed raw in salads, their culinary versatility extends far beyond. They can be pickled, fermented, or added to smoothies for a refreshing twist. Cucumbers can be sliced and added to sandwiches, wraps, and burgers for a crunchy texture and cool flavor. They also pair well with yogurt-based dips and sauces, adding a refreshing element to any meal. From garden to glass, refreshing cucumber beverages. Beat the heat and stay hydrated with refreshing cucumber beverages. Cucumber water is a simple yet delicious way to increase your water intake and enjoy the vegetable's subtle flavor. Cucumbers can also be blended into smoothies, adding a cool and refreshing element to your favorite fruit combinations. Experiment with different flavors and find your perfect cucumber beverage to enjoy throughout the day. A word of caution: potential side effects and considerations. While cucumbers are generally safe for consumption, some individuals may experience side effects. Cucumbers contain cucurbitacins, compounds that can cause bitterness and digestive issues in some people. If you experience any adverse reactions after consuming cucumbers, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Additionally, be sure to wash cucumbers thoroughly before consumption to remove any dirt, pesticides, or bacteria. Embrace the cucumber, a versatile vegetable for a healthier you. Today we delve into the world of cucumbers, a vegetable that is not only versatile but also packed with numerous health benefits. Whether you enjoy them in salads, as a refreshing snack, or infused in water, cucumbers can be a game changer for your health. From boosting hydration to promoting gut health, the humble cucumber offers a wide range of health benefits. Cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, making them an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. They are also low in calories, which makes them a perfect snack for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Additionally, cucumbers contain important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Its refreshing flavor, versatility in the kitchen, and affordability make it an excellent addition to any diet. You can add cucumbers to your salads, sandwiches, and even smoothies. They can be pickled for a tangy treat or sliced and added to water for a refreshing drink. The possibilities are endless. Cucumbers are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and puffiness, especially around the eyes. This makes them a popular ingredient in skincare routines. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. While cucumbers are generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of any potential allergies or adverse reactions. Some individuals may experience digestive issues or skin irritation from cucumbers. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you have any specific health concerns, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and recommendations based on your individual health needs. Cucumbers can be a great addition to a balanced diet, but they should not replace other essential nutrients and food groups. A varied diet that includes a wide range of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains is key to maintaining good health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this valuable information with your friends and family to help them embrace a healthier lifestyle. By spreading the word about the benefits of cucumbers, you can help others make informed choices about their diet and health. Together, we can create a community that values wellness and supports each other in our journey towards a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and information on how to live your best life.